Hey everyone, welcome back to WeeklyTools. Today we're diving into a powerful tool that every car owner or DIY mechanic should know about, the Thinkscan 672 Full System OBD2 Scanner. Whether you're troubleshooting a check engine light or doing a full system diagnostic, this scanner might be exactly what you need. Powered by an MT8365 CPU with a 2.0 GHz Cortex, a 53 quad-core processor, the TK672 ensures quick and accurate diagnostics. It offers 32 GB of ROM for ample diagnostic data and software storage. The 7-inch widescreen display, 1024 by 600, provides clear and detailed visuals. Modern connectivity options include a Type-C charging port, USB 2.0, dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4G per 5G, and Bluetooth 5.0 with backward compatibility, ensuring seamless data transfer and updates, and more functions. The ThinkCar TK672 is a factory-level scanner offering comprehensive diagnostics for all car systems, including ECM, ABS, airbags, SAS, EVAP, TPMS, BMS, and EPB. This versatile tool can read and clear codes, display live data in multiple formats, and supports AutoVIN for one-click car info identification. The newly released bidirectional control scanner designed for comprehensive vehicle diagnostics. This advanced tool allows users to send commands directly to the vehicle's ECU to perform active tests on a variety of subsystems, including injectors, coolant pumps, windows, wipers, headlights, mirrors, and more, offering powerful testing features that significantly reduce diagnostic time. The TK672 is the ultimate solution for efficient and precise vehicle maintenance and repair. Specializing in 28 essential reset services, this powerful tool features important reset functions such as oil reset, IMMO reset, DPF reset, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, injector coating, AFS reset, TPMS reset. Each function is meticulously designed to address specific maintenance needs, ensuring comprehensive care for your vehicle. With intuitive pop-up guidance, the TK672 streamlines complex tasks, making vehicle maintenance more efficient and precise. The 672 OBD2 scanner is essential for professionals and car enthusiasts. Compatible with OBDI vehicles post-1996, it supports over 140 brands, including for Ford, for Chevrolet, for Dodge, and for Jeep. Experience the ultimate in diagnostic innovation with the 672. Enjoy lifetime free software updates, keeping your tool current. The 672's sleek, lightweight design is perfect for on-the-go use. Its revamped UI simplifies operation. Supporting 28 languages, it caters to a global audience. Pros: wide vehicle compatibility, easy to use, no tech skills required, lifetime updates, good value for the price. Cons: not wireless connection, some advanced features may not work on all car models, no touchscreen, a con for some, a plus for others. For under $300 to $400 depending on current price, the Thinkscan 672 offers features you'd normally find on scanners double the price. If you're serious about car maintenance or just want to stop relying on shops for every little warning light, this is a smart buy. Want to grab one? I've dropped a link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car tech reviews and how to OS.